Good morning, students. Today we will continue reported speech, or we can say narration or direct indirect speech. Okay. Today we will do part fourth, and in this part fourth we will do imperative sentences. Okay. Now see, in imperative sentences conjunctions to, not to और that are used. ये conjunctions इसमें यूज किए जाते हैं. How? Now we will see. And in place of said or said to, we use ordered, requested, commanded, urged, advised, suggested, told और asked भी use कर सकते हैं. Okay. See, first sentence. He said to Pankaj, sit down. So sit down. This may be ordered and this may be request. ये request भी हो सकती है, order भी हो सकता है. So according to the situation you can use. Okay. Advice भी हो सकती है. So he told or advised. And okay, in place of this we have written told or advised. Anyone you can write according to the situation. Okay. And now conjunction. Okay, to. Before this we use to, and this we write complete. ये पूरा लिख देते हैं. इससे पहले to only we add to, केवल to add करते हैं. Okay, to sit down. Next, the teacher said to the students, keep quiet. Keep quiet. This may be advised or ordered. Ordered भी हो सकता है. Okay, so the teacher asked. In place of reporting verb we have written ordered or asked. Okay, the students before this. Now conjunction to keep quiet. So simple. Imperative sentence so simple. Just we have to use to as a conjunction. Conjunction के रूप में हम यहाँ पर to use करते हैं. Okay, and in place of this reporting verb we use anyone from this according to the situation. Okay. Now next, he said to me, don't open the door. So don't open the door may be ordered. Okay. So he ordered me. In place of said to, ordered me. Ordered to me नहीं आएगा. Remember this. Some students do this. कुछ करते हैं इसको, है ना? As ordered to me, asked to me. Okay. Told to me. That is wrong. Okay. Ordered me. Negative sentence. If negative sentence, then not to conjunction. In place of don't, not to, and rest same. Okay, you can see. Open the door. Open the door. Okay, not to conjunction. Have you got this? Good. Next, he said to me, don't go out. Ordered हो सकता है. Okay, he ordered me. Don't. In place of don't, we have to write no to as a conjunction. You can see no to, and this rest same. Okay, and second method also I am telling you. In place of this ordered, we can use forbid if negative sentence is there. Don't go out. Then in place of, if negative sentence is there, then we can use forbid me to go out. Not to नहीं आएगा फिर, because forbid का मतलब ही मना करना होता है, डिनाई करना होता है. So forbid हम यूज कर सकते हैं. Then not to नहीं आएगा. Okay, is it clear? Good. If lettuce is there, this is new. Okay, you will try to get it easily. Okay, very easy. See, if lettuce is there, Mohan said to his friends, Mohan said to his friends, let's go to the cinema. So now in place of this said to, we have to write suggested or proposed to. Anyone. Suggested or proposed to. Here we use to. Remember this. Suggested to, proposed to. His friends. Okay. Only in place of this we use suggested or proposed. To is there already. Okay, his friends. Now that conjunction, if us is there, us, then you can see that conjunction. Okay, if latest type sentences are there, then we use that conjunction, and after that they or we, anyone you can use. They or we, both are correct. They, we should go to the cinema. Okay, should go to the cinema, and we use should. Okay, next, I said to the villagers, let us help the poor. Same. In place of said, suggested to. Suggested to is given already. The villagers, that, we or they. Okay, in place of us. In place of us, we or they, and conjunction that. Okay, should help the poor. Okay, anyone we can use. Is it clear? Okay. Yes, if only let is there, then how can we make? Now we will see. The principal said to the peon, let the man come in. Now see. The principal ordered, in place of said to, ordered, you know very well. Ordered किया peon को. Use to before this. To as a conjunction. And let the man come in, that will be same. ये हमारा same रहेगा. Okay, just we have to use to before this. Okay, next, Ravi said to his master, let me go home. You know, three types, we can say three methods are there. Three methods होते हैं, हम इनको बना सकते हैं. कैसे, अब देखिए यहाँ से. Ravi requested his master to let him go to home. To let him go, to let him to go. Remember this, to go home. This two before this. Okay. Second, if we use that conjunction, up to here same. Ravi requested his master, that conjunction, he should go home. ऐसे भी बना सकते हैं. Okay, and next, requested his master, that up to here same. He might be allowed. ऐसे ही बना सकते हैं. He might be allowed to go home. Okay, so you can think now which one is easy. कोई सा भी आप सोच सकते हैं कौन सा easy है. बस पता होना चाहिए हमें कि we can make in this way. ऐसे ही बना सकते हैं, ऐसे ही बना सकते हैं, और ऐसे ही बना सकते हैं. Okay, I think you have got this now. Okay. Okay, yes, so students, one more thing I want to tell you about anything that may be, कुछ भी हो सकता है. Okay, as we are doing direct and indirect speech, so we can do practice a lot of, बहुत ज़्यादा हमें practice करनी है. After that we can do each and everything. Okay, because someone has rightly said that practice makes a man perfect. Okay, so goodbye.